You know what financial freedom doesn't feel like? It doesn't feel like winning the lottery. It doesn't feel like buying a mansion. And it definitely doesn't feel like never working again. It feels quiet. Welcome to Daily Finance Lab, where we turn money knowledge into real-life freedom. Most people imagine financial freedom as a lifestyle. Nice car, beach photos, expensive restaurants. But that's not financial freedom, that's visible wealth. Real financial freedom is invisible. It's waking up in the morning and not immediately thinking about money. No stress about rent, no fear of your next bill, no checking your bank account before buying groceries. The strange part is, nothing around you looks different. You might still live in the same home, you might still drive the same car, you might even still go to work. But internally, everything changes. Because financial freedom isn't about what you can buy. It's about what you no longer have to worry about. Here's when most people first feel it. An emergency happens, your car breaks down, your phone stops working, a medical bill shows up. And instead of panic, you calmly pay for it. No borrowing, no credit card stress, no sleepless night calculating how to survive the month. That moment, that calm reaction, is closer to financial freedom than any luxury purchase. Another sign you can say no. You can say no to overtime you don't need, no to a toxic boss, no to a job that drains your life. Because you're not trapped anymore. People think financial freedom means escaping work. Actually, it means escaping desperation. Most financially free people still work, but now they choose their work, they negotiate salaries confidently, they take vacations without anxiety, they switch careers without fear. Why? Because their life doesn't collapse if income stops temporarily. And here's the biggest misunderstanding. Financial freedom is not a number. Many people believe, when I hit $1 million, then I'll feel secure. But there are millionaires living paycheck to paycheck and ordinary earners who are financially free. The difference is simple. Financial freedom happens when your living expenses are covered by income you don't actively work for. Savings, interest, investments, dividends, businesses, your job becomes optional, not required for survival. That's why a person earning modestly but investing consistently can become free, while a high earner with huge payments stays stressed forever. The real enemy isn't low income, it's lifestyle inflation. Every time income rises, spending rises too. Bigger apartment, car payment, subscriptions, monthly obligations. Soon, the person earning more feels just as trapped as before. Financial freedom feels like margin. Margin in your schedule, margin in your finances, margin in your decisions. You stop calculating every purchase. You stop fearing emergencies. You stop living only from paycheck to paycheck. And something surprising happens. You sleep better. You make calmer decisions. You think long-term instead of surviving short-term. You start planning your life instead of reacting to it. And here's the truth most people don't realize. Financial freedom isn't built in one big moment. It's built slowly. Through consistent saving. Through controlled spending. Through long-term investing. Through patience. Not exciting, not viral, but powerful. Because wealth is loud, freedom is quiet. And if you want to start building that kind of life, start small. Spend intentionally. Invest consistently. And protect your peace more than your image. If this changed how you see money, comment freedom below. Like the video, and subscribe to Daily Finance Lab for simple strategies that help you build real financial independence. I'll see you in the next video.